See in 100 seconds. String tokenizing. We need string.h again, this time for strtok, the function that splits strings into pieces. Strtok takes two arguments, the string and a delimiter. The first call returns the first token. After that, pass new L to keep going through the same string. The while loop keeps calling strtok with null until it returns null, meaning there are no more tokens left. Same pattern, different delimiter. Change the comma to split CSV data, name, age, job, each one a separate field. Strtok can handle multiple delimiters at once, semicolons, commas, colons, pass them all in one string, and strtok splits on any of them. Four words from the sentence. 3 fields from the CSV. 4 colors split by mixed delimiters. 1 function, 3 use cases. Next up, memory functions with memsk and memset.